I gotta let somebody know about this. I had nothing to do with it. I was hiding. I was hiding behind the dumpster, and I saw Bobby Longshots come into the alley, and he had this man with him, and they was arguing. I couldn't hear what they was arguing about too clearly, but it was something about drugs, and Bobby Longshot was asking. I think he was asking the man where the drugs was. He was asking him where the drugs was, and the man didn't know. He said he didn't know. I believed him. I believed the man. I'm telling you, I believed him. With all my heart, I believed that man. And then next thing you know, Bobby Longshot, he takes out a gun and he puts it to the man's head. He puts it to his head and he tells him, if you don't tell me the truth right now, I'm going to put a bullet through your brain. And the man, he swore up and down. He didn't know nothing. He didn't know nothing. And Bobby Longshot pulled the trigger. And he put a bullet through that man's head, through that poor man's head. And I couldn't do nothing about it. I couldn't do nothing about it. He killed that poor man right in front of me. He didn't know I was there. He didn't know that I seen it. If he finds out, Bobby Longshot's gonna kill me too. You gotta protect me, man. You gotta protect me. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please. You gotta help me.